Hey guys, it's Jess. And I've been doing early intervention and working with kids with autism for a really long time. A shape sorter is a really valuable tool for working with kids, and it's one we like to use a lot in early intervention. It works on matching, it works on hand-eye coordination, it works on hand skills where kids have to rotate things. You can talk about the shape, you can talk about the color, but oftentimes kids find it really boring. So I'm going to show you a really fun way to get any kid to love doing a shape sorter. If you're stuck homeschooling your kid right now and you're used to them getting services, this is going to be a really fun way to get them to sit at the table. I've done this with hundreds of kids and none of them have ever turned it down. And I've already set this up for you, but that's simply to get a tray, put some soapy water in it, and then put the shapes in the soapy water. It's such a simple little trick, but it works. Kids are gonna love it. And have them make the water. A lot goes a long way. I literally have a few drops of soap, maybe just barely cover with water. Let them suds it up. It's a fun sensory activity. And then they'll be really super motivated to go in, grab that shape. You can do your colors, you can work on the matching. It'll work. So I really hope this strategy was helpful. If you're having a hard time getting your kid engaged with activities, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos over the next week with fun activities you can do with your child at home, whether they're sitting down, whether they're not, we'll get them taught. So make it an amazing day, and if you do this activity, I'd love to hear how it worked for your family in the comments below.